This kitchen is an absolute triumph. From the floors to the cabinetry to these gorgeous appliances, not to mention our Caesar stone benchtop and splashback, it is all a complete picture. But one of the things that really makes it is the kitchen works design of the kitchen, the way that they've been really able to capitalize on all of this space. It's a real success. Now let's just have a chat about this beautiful Caesar stone benchtop, shall we? How good does it look? This particular style is called Cloudburst Concrete, a white on white tonal cloud-like patina, emulating the look of hand-poured concrete. So not only is it incredibly beautiful, but you already have those durability properties too of Caesar stone being heat, scratch and chip resistant. And just for some added benefit, we've actually run the Caesar stone up the wall to create the splashback, which just gives this whole area a seamless look. It works, it looks great.